Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Hackers use fake Windows Update guides to target Ukraine government. Also, the reason I'm doing that, if they're using Windows Update to target Ukraine government, the United States would be next. So once again, let's check out this quick article. The Computer Emergency Response Team of Ukraine said Russian hackers are targeting various government bodies in the with malicious emails supposedly containing instructions on how to update Windows as a defense against cyber attacks. The CERT-UA believes the Russian state-sponsored group APT, aka Fancy Bear, sent these emails and impersonated system administrator of target government entities to make it easier to trick the targets. For this purpose, the attacker created Outlook.com email addresses using real employees' names acquired via unknown means in the preparatory stage of the attack. So they got Outlook.com email domain names. They got real employees, right? So that actually going to probably work a high percentage of the time. Instead of legitimate instructions on upgrading Windows system, the malicious email advised recipients to run a PowerShell command. The command downloads a PowerShell script on a computer, simulating a Windows update process while downloading a second PowerShell payload in the background. The second stage payload is basic information on harvesting tools that abuse the task list and system info commands to gather data and send them to a microservice API via HTTP request. Mockery is a legitimate application that helps users generate custom HTTP response, which APT28 abused in this case for data exfiltration. CERT-UA recommends system administrators restrict the ability to launch PowerShell on critical computers and monitor network traffic on connections to microservice API. So they show you the fake update right there. They show you the PowerShell over there. So I think we block PowerShell on a lot of, especially workstations, right? And I think we enable it on servers when DBAs or SA needs to do specific work, right? So we try to do just-in-time writes to those particular boxes. AP28 attacks on Ukraine. Google Threat Analysis Group reported recently that 60% of our phishing emails targeting Ukraine in the first quarter of 2023 originated from Russian threat actors, highlighting APT28 as a major contributor to this malicious activity. That's crazy. 60% of our phishing emails headed to Ukraine was actually Russian. Early in this month, the U.S. and UK intelligence services, Cisco, warned about AP28 actively exploiting a zero-day flaw, affecting companies' routers to deploy a malware named Jaguar Tooth to collect intelligence information from U.S. and EU-based targets. So remember when I said up there, they're going to come for the U.S. sooner or later, right? In March 2023, Microsoft patched the Outlook zero-day vulnerability, CVE 2023-2397, which APT28 exploited since April 2022 to breach the networks of European government, military, energy, and transportation, right? So there was a 0 day, that's almost a year that was out there where Russia was taking advantages of European operations, right? So interesting, Chinese hackers are also using the Windows update to lure drop malicious executables attack against Russian government agencies last year, right? So obviously with the war, the cyber war, people are picking up sides. So these type of attacks are definitely going to pick up. So once again, be safe out there. Be looking for that Windows update. It could be fake. It could be targeting the Ukraine. It could be targeting the United States, right? Once again, be safe in those cyber streets. Professor Black Ops, subscribe.